Meaning of Marshalsea.
Marshalsea. Marshalsea.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A former prison in Southwark, London, used for the detention of debtors and others. 2. The office or jurisdiction of the Marshal of the royal household, especially in relation to the arrest and imprisonment of debtors. Examples. 1. He was imprisoned in the Marshalsea for debt. 2. The Marshalsea was notorious for its harsh conditions and corrupt officials. Note: the Marshalsea prison was abolished in 1842, and the office of the Marshal of the royal household no longer has jurisdiction over debtors. The term Marshalsea is now largely of historical interest.
Marshalsea. Marshalsea.